For centuries, Chirata has been treasured in traditional herbal medicine for its powerful healing properties, and today this intensely bitter herb is gaining global attention for its surprising ability to support digestion, immunity, liver health, and overall wellness. Known scientifically as Swarsha Chirata, this ancient plant is packed with natural compounds that may help the body cleanse itself, fight inflammation, and restore balance from within, making it one of the most fascinating herbs in natural health circles. Number 1. Improves liver health. Chirata is widely known for supporting liver function because its natural compounds may help stimulate bile production, improve detoxification, and assist the body in flushing out harmful toxins, which can leave people feeling lighter, healthier, and more energetic. Number 2. Boosts digestion naturally. The herb's strong bitter taste activates digestive enzymes and stomach juices, helping the body break down food more efficiently while reducing bloating, gas, heaviness, and sluggish digestion. Number 3. Helps purify the blood. Traditional healers have long used Chirata as a blood-purifying herb because it is believed to support the body's natural cleansing systems, improve circulation, and reduce internal impurities that may contribute to fatigue and skin problems. Number 4. Strengthens the immune system. Chirata contains antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds that may help the body defend itself against harmful bacteria, environmental stress, and seasonal illnesses while supporting overall immune resilience. Number 5. Supports healthy skin. Because Chirata helps improve digestion and detoxification, it has traditionally been used to support clearer, brighter skin and may help reduce acne, irritation, itching, and other inflammation-related skin concerns. Number 6. Helps manage fever naturally. For generations, Chirata has been used in traditional remedies for fever because it was believed to cool the body, support recovery, and help restore balance during illness without simply masking symptoms. Number 7. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Modern interest in Chirata has grown because some studies and herbal traditions suggest it may support healthy glucose metabolism and help maintain more balanced energy levels throughout the day. Number 8. Promotes weight management. By improving digestion, supporting liver function, and potentially helping regulate appetite, Chirata may assist people trying to maintain a healthier metabolism and manage body weight naturally. Number 9. Reduces inflammation. Chirata contains plant compounds that may help calm inflammation in the body, which is important because chronic inflammation is linked to joint discomfort, skin issues, fatigue, and many long-term health problems. Number 10. Increases energy and vitality. Many people report feeling more refreshed and energized after using Chirata because supporting digestion, detoxification, and metabolic balance can naturally improve stamina and overall vitality. Although its intensely bitter taste can be difficult to handle, Chirata's remarkable range of potential health benefits explains why it has remained an important herb in traditional medicine for centuries, and as more people search for natural ways to support wellness, this ancient botanical continues to prove that some of nature's most powerful remedies are often the simplest. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.